how to use the Windows 11 uh, AI Co-Creator on your Paint app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any update. So, the Paint app on your Windows has its game by introducing Copilot that uses Co-Creator, and once you give a prompt for it to draw, it will paint according to the prompt given by you. So to use it, you'll need to open up your Paint app, and then you'll see Copilot option on the top right. Go ahead and tap on it. There you'll find Image Creator. Tap on it, and then you will need to subscribe to Image Creator, an AI powered feature. So once you have the AI credits that are included with the Microsoft 365 subscription, this will be available to you, and you just have to give a prompt on what you want it to paint, and that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.